Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use timer blocks in JJS. Timer blocks are fundamental for controlling the flow of your program by executing code at specific times. They allow you to schedule tasks, either to run once after a delay or to repeat at regular intervals. Understanding these blocks is crucial for creating responsive and efficient applications, as they help manage asynchronous operations without blocking the main thread. We will cover both one-time and repeating timers. To set up a one-time timer, you'll use the setTimeout function. This function takes two main arguments: the function you want to execute and the delay in milliseconds before it runs. For example, if you want something to happen after 5 seconds, you would specify 5,000 milliseconds. This is perfect for scenarios where an action, like showing a temporary notification, only needs to occur once after a specific waiting period. For tasks that need to repeat continuously, setInterval is your go-to function. Similar to setTimeout, it takes a function and an interval in milliseconds. However, setInterval will execute your function repeatedly at that specified interval until you explicitly stop it. It's vital to manage these timers carefully. For instance, if you want an action every 2 seconds, you'd set 2,000 milliseconds. Always remember to clear them when they are no longer needed. Effective timer management involves storing the ID returned by setTimeout or setInterval. This ID is your key to stopping the timer later. For one-time timers, use clearTimeout with its ID, and for repeating timers, use clearInterval with their respective ID. Clearing timers is crucial to prevent memory leaks and ensure your application runs smoothly. Always make sure to clear any active timers when they are no longer required, especially before closing or changing views.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.